Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to make a dump and go slow cooker recipe. Come on. I do have this line. That's just a little bit of liquid smoke, hickory liquid smoke that I had left over that I decided to go ahead and put in there. And because I've been having trouble with these bags breaking, I went ahead and sprayed some non-stick spray on there. Olive oil, actually. But here's what I'm putting on there. In there. Meatballs. You can make your own if you want to. I just would prefer not to. I've got numerous vegetables over here. Quite a few of these came from our garden. Green peppers, some of the sweet peppers, red, yellow, orange, all the colors that they turn after the green goes away. Some onion. These are bite-sized pieces. That is a can of, you don't have to put this in here if you don't like it, of watered chestnut. That's some tomato I had left over. Just wanted to get it out of the way. Y'all, my tripod just broke. Look at that. Have you ever? What the what? Okay, anyhow, we will carry on. Gonna put a little bit of salt in there. Gonna put a little brown swerve sweetener in there. Sweet Baby Ray's. I use no sugar added. Always no sugar added for me. I prefer the hickory. They didn't have it the last time, so that's what I ended up getting. I've got some low sodium soy sauce here, and this is going to defeat almost everything that's no sugar added. Canned pineapple. You can buy fresh if you want to. Now, I'll be right back. I have got to fix my, or attempt to fix my tripod. Or I think I could go ahead and do it just like this, y'all. If y'all don't mind, I'm not going to sit you down. We're going to go ahead and dump in our meatballs. That was about a pound. And with that, I am going to pour all of this juice in there first off of these pineapples, because I don't want that much pineapple, but that's the only size can I had. I would use a smaller one if I had it. Put a little salt in there, but I'm also going to put it's sea salt. We're good. I'm putting soy sauce, about a 1/4 cup. Yeah, this is going to be Asian inspired. Let's see if I can get my brown sugar over here and plop some of that in there. I just made a mess on my counter, but that's okay. We're good. We're good. Yeah, let's see about getting I'm sorry, you all. You know, it happens. You wouldn't believe the things that goes on behind the camera sometimes. Dump all those veggies in there, at least by hand, until I can pick it up and maybe not spill it everywhere. This is going to add some flavor to it. I'm going to have some texture. I almost took the camera and scooped that off. Oops. We don't want to do that. Absolutely don't want to do that. Let's mix these around just a little bit. I honestly don't know what little Sarah is down there boofing about. Like I'm not going to give her any of this. No, she cannot have this. I'm going to put just half of this can of these pineapples in here. And like I said, I would use a small can, but that's not what I have, and I'm not going to run to the store for it. So, y'all know me. Use what you got on hand. You can put some grape jelly in this too if you want. I'm not going to. Not that it doesn't taste good. I just don't see the need in it. So this is about a cup and a half of the barbecue that I'm just putting on the top. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder in. About a teaspoon. I'm also going to put some chili powder in. That was about half a teaspoon. I have more. I'm going to put some ginger in there. And then we're just going to let that all heat up in our slow cooker. That was about a teaspoon. Heat up in our slow cooker, and I'm going to put some dry parsley in there too. There we go. Alright. Another slow cooker meal. And after this is done, I'm going to serve it on rice because that's what I want to do. I've got it on low, but I'm switching over to high for about 2 hours, and then I'm just going to put it on keep warm for the rest of the day. Now, if you're going to dump it and go, which for whatever reason that's what slow cooker recipes are called today, you're going to put this in there and you're going to put it on low and just leave it on low. It will be fine throughout the day. Alright, I'll see y'all when this gets done. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell. If you have subscribed, you may want to check just to make sure you still are, because YouTube does that thing and they let things, drop out of, fall between the cracks sometimes, I guess to say. Here we go. Ooh, look at this steam. It's very hot. Wow. Yeah, give this a try. You'll like this. Sure you will. But I'm gonna get our rice finished up, and then we're gonna put it in bowls, and let's see what it looks like when that part is done. So we'll be back in just a few. The rice is ready, so let's get some of these sweet and sour meatballs on there, and we'll get Tom to take a taste of it. Have to let it cool down just a wee bit because it's pretty hot. I don't know how many meatballs he might want. So I'm just filling them full. And a little bit of that juice on there. A little bit of this green onion. And we'll see what he thinks about it. It's very hot. The dog just burped.
Well, that's amazing.
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
But that's it, y'all. There you go. Sweet and sour meatballs. Dump and go crock pot recipe. Simple, simple. Give it a try. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.